My dear students, Professor Vinod Kumar Kot, continuing with diseases. Karnal bunt. Bunt. Bunt is another important disease which appear on the grains of the wheat. It is widespread in Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh and western districts of UP. Karnal bunt and heel bunt. These are two types of bunt. Karnal bunt is caused by fungus Neovossia indica. This disease has been reported from Karnal district of Haryana. That's why it is named Karnal bunt. Heel bunt is caused by two species of Tilacia, Tilacia caris and Tilacia foetida, which appear in hilly region of Himachal Pradesh. Symptoms, as I told you, disease appear on grains, but Karnal bunt is different from heel bunt, that all the ears of a plant are not infected. All the ears of a plant are not infected, and in one ear all the grains are not infected. I mean, few grains in a ear are infected. But in heel bunt, all the ears and complete ear is infected, forming a powdery mass. A fishy smell also appear in the field. Causal organisms, Neovossia indica for Karnal bunt, Tilacia caris and Tilacia foetida for heel bunt. This fungus belongs to class Basidiomystes, order Aestilaginales. Teleospores are found. Predisposing factors. The disease appear in February and March when the soil moisture and temperatures are present. Disease cycle. First it is soil borne, later on it becomes airborne also, has been reported by many pathologists. Excessive irrigation or rains at the time of anther formation. I once again repeat, excessive irrigation or rains at the time of anther formation increases chances of infection. January, February for Karnal bunt and February, March for heel bunts are responsible. Management. Since the disease is soil borne, crop rotation is helpful. Crops should be rotated. Regarding chemical control, spray of Thyram, Gineb, non-systemic fungicide at the rate of 0.2 to 0.3%, or systemic fungicide Bavistine and Vitavax at the rate 0.1% are recommended for seed treatment. Resistant varieties have been developed in IRI, UP and Punjab, Himachal. Variety HD 1907, HP 743, UP 270 are resistant to the pathogen. This is about the management of the disease. Thank you.